what's up guys? Sloth King here. Today, I'm taking the Supra to go get an alignment. So the alignment has been messed up for a little bit. I've been trying to get it done for about 2.5 weeks. This is the 3rd week. So I found a Firestone that actually has an in-ground lift, because the other ones, they said that they can't put it on the alignment rack, which sucks. So I'm going out to go get that done, and hopefully it goes pretty smoothly. This is gonna be the first time driving the Supra on the highway, so it's gonna be interesting, to say the least. So anyway, I'm gonna see if I can get a good headshot, put you guys on my head. Hopefully I can. If not, then I apologize. I am in the break-in procedure right now, so I have about 200 miles on it. Sorry I didn't record like the first drive, but this will technically be the first drive for you guys. I've just been working out a lot of kinks with this thing, so let's get into it. All right guys, and keep in mind that if you see my speedometer and it looks like I'm going pretty fast, I'm not. My speedometer is just way off, even though I replaced the speedometer cable already. But anyway, let's do this. All right guys, I just made it to Firestone. I'm about to go in there and hopefully they can get this thing aligned pretty close to right. Anyways, I'll be back with an update. All right guys, the car just got aligned. He said it drives really straight. I do need to replace the rear upper control arms. Yeah, he just pointed out a few things to my front driver caliper. I guess it's leaking a little bit of brake fluid. I'm gonna check that out. And he said the oil return hose off of the turbo is leaking a little bit of oil. So when I get home, I'm gonna address that, because I don't want any kind of crazy oil leaks. All right, I'm gonna stop and get some gas, and I'll see you guys at the house. Just a quick update. The Supra is driving really straight now. It is way better than how it was. All right guys, just made it back to the house. Drive went super well. The steering is great now that it's properly aligned. Yeah, it just feels really good. Now I'm gonna let this cool down for a little bit, and then I'm gonna see what's up with that leak that's on the turbo drain pipe. So anyways, I'm super excited. I have 268 miles on it right now out of the 300 for the initial transmission break-in before it can be driven a little bit normal, a little bit more normal. Once it hits 500 miles, I'll be able to drain the transmission fluid and then get new fluid in there. And then, yeah, I'm super excited. It's coming out pretty well. Anyways, if you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe to see more videos like these. See you later, guys.